afternoon and welcome to the weekly news on the Cadet TV, live from Covenant Presby School Studios at Jolo here in Accra. My name is Cadet Aku-Gbadago and
Cadet Aku-Gbadago.
Coming up with the headlines this evening. The Central Municipal Education Directorate organized school performance appraisal meeting, known as PAM. This program was organized at the Maranatha University College. Details of the story and more coming up shortly. Please do stay with us.
And don't go away.
Are you a scholar? And do you want to know who a scholar is?
A scholar is a person who is highly educated
and has aptitude for study. Do you have aptitude for study? And do you want to know challenges new students will face and how to get past it? If so, join me, Cadet Beniselu and
Cadet IT
every Saturdays from 5 to 5:30 p.m. as we engage with scholars on lifetime experiences and career goals. Make time with us on Time with Scholars.
Welcome back. Let's reach out to our correspondent, Cadet Claudia Bento, who will be giving us a live report on the program. Hello, Cadet Bento. Kindly give us a brief update on the program.
Thank you very much, Cadet Aku-Gbadago. Good afternoon to all our cherished viewers. Cadet Aku-Gbadago, I am currently at the Maranatha University School College at Sotium in the Central Municipality, where the School Performance and Appraisal Meeting, SPAM, is being held. The School Performance and Appraisal Meeting, also known as SPAM, is organized annually by the Central Municipal Education Directorate to assess the performances exhibited by the schools within the catchment area of the municipality. This is in the form of a symposium which involves all basic schools within the municipality, such as the schools that perform best in the BEC and the least performed schools. The best school will tell their strategy they put in place, which help them excel academically. The least school will also share their lapses.
Cadet Claudia Bento, who are the dignitaries that are present?
Attendants include the Municipal Chief Executive for Central, the Municipal Director of Central, the Municipal Director of Education for Central, the Queen Mother and her entourage. That's all for now, Cadet Aku-Gbadago. My name is Claudia Bento Akafo, and I am the reporter for Platinum Montessori Schools. Thank you.
That was our correspondent, Cadet Claudia Bento.
The SPAM program commenced with an open prayer, followed by a song ministration which was sung by pupils of Platinum Montessori Schools and also with the school's cadet band in attendance, who played the municipal anthem melodiously as the school's choir sang along. They sang the French version of the municipal anthem among other French songs in admiration of the Central and Platinum schools respectively. Acting Director of Education for Ghana Central, Mrs. Esther Jones Safo, in her opening remarks to the gathering, encouraged the head of schools to participate fully, as they are not to apportion blame to anyone but to appraise and assess their work as teachers.
We want to assess our work, what we have done and what we are supposed to do. We are not here to apportion any blame to anybody, but we want to look at our weaknesses and our strengths so that we can build upon it.
Mrs. Cynthia Winifred Aku-Gbadago, the immediate past director for Ghana Central, who doubles to be the chairperson, urged teachers and head of schools to never teach on their own terms, but rather in WAEC terms. She further advised them to look at their weaknesses and put together competence, diligence, discipline, and hard work towards achieving success in their career through good leadership.
Never teach in the classroom in your own terms. Teach in WAEC terms, because they'll determine standard. The way they mark, it is WAEC. And when you are doing that, doing the right thing at the right time, with your leadership skill, with your supervision and monitoring, and then motivating teachers, correcting them in love. You know, teaching a whole is a whole lot of things. That's what that you bring together to achieve results. Be a result-oriented leader. And when you are a result-oriented leader, you put things in place. Never be that mediocrity. Move on, push hard, and I believe the Ghanaian child is looking at you. And then at the right time, they will come and thank you when you do the right thing.
The Platinum Montessori School was adjudged the best performing private school in the BEC examination with a mean aggregate of 7.1, followed by Annabelle School with a mean aggregate of 7.3, Vision School Complex 7.95, Sovereign Cascade 8.0, and Evergreen Field Montessori 8.4 aggregate.
Platinum Montessori Schools was adjudged the municipal best performing from 2016 to 2022. The blissful news transformed all the staff into a mood of jubilation, where the proprietress received a plaque, personal citation in honor of Mrs. Beatrice Ado and that of Platinum Montessori Schools.
The proprietress of Platinum Montessori School, Mrs. Beatrice Ado, expressed her heartfelt gratitude as she was very overwhelmed at her victory.
This is an overwhelming award, and in fact, I thank them all for this prestigious award. I appreciate very much, and I am so happy. Let me just say that I am happy because it pays to work very hard, and after hard work, you need to rejoice the benefit. So we put in our effort, and we are now celebrating the good things that we actually, planted. So for short, I am so much happy, and it is an overwhelming thing. The whole place, everyone was happy, and they have really shared with us the joy that we have chopped today. I am so proud to see my heirs with me working so hard for the public to know that we didn't just joke there, but we have, done that hard work for this great achievement. And we give all these awards to God Almighty for bringing us this far.
Reverend Alfred Ansakwachi, the headmaster of Platinum Montessori Schools, in an interview with Cadet Media Crew, disclosed the school's track record of continued success from 2016 to 2022.
I have actually come out to operate with joy. When I say joy, what does it mean? It means that if you do something that people recognize what you are doing, it gladdens your hearts. Today's program, like Platinum, has been adjudged as the best basic school in the Central Municipality. It is one of this kind. Now, right from 2016, when Platinum Montessori Schools came to the limelight in writing the BEC, we were first in the Gas Central. 2017, we placed second. 2018, we came first again. 2019, first. 2020, first, during the COVID, when others were sleeping, we were toiling into the night. We were able to strategize and then still won first position in Gas Central. 2021 first, and 2022 we have crowned it all, which we are witnessing, and it is success and success all over.
Reverend Felix Kwekuhini, the head of statistics and planning of the Ghana Central Municipal Education Directorate, enlightened the general public on the SPAM program in an interview with Cadet Media Team.
SPAM is simply School Performance Appraisal Meeting. It is a meeting where we find out the performances of various schools in the municipality, both private and then public. And it is done annually. Mostly we use the results for the BEC to do it because before this time, we didn't have any other means of finding the performance of students. But thankfully now we have the national standardized test that can assess the performance of class 2, class 4, and class 6. So we have employed those performance into the SPAM and then also the SHS. So it is something we do yearly so that we can see how our schools are performing over the years. So basically that is SPAM. Consistently, Ghana Central Municipality has been one of the best municipalities in the Greater Accra. Almost for about 6 years running, we have been the first municipality as far as BEC performance is concerned. And nationally, we rank among the first 20 best municipalities. So we don't expect to come down. We expect to go up, and we expect that at the end of the day, we'll be the best in the country because we are well able to do that. We are one of the best schools, best teachers, and the best everything. So we expect the best from us.
In furtherance of their interview, Reverend Felix Kwekuhini urged the youth to work hard in all their endeavors.
Anything you put your mind to, you can do it. When you are a youth, you are blessed. You are blessed because you have a memory that can basically process anything. But when you grow older, your memory begins to deplete. So anything you put your hands to, you can do it. Personally, I was not a very good student in school. But I realized that if you could sit down and learn the very things you've been taught, you'll be amazed how you're able to come up to be the tops. So I want to advise every youth, don't close your mind and say, I can't do it or I'm unable to do it. Everything you put your mind to is possible. So get to it, work hard, and then the sky, they say, will be the limit. And you can do it.
Jubilation continued inside Platinum Montessori Schools premises as students welcomed the proprietress and her entourage with music and dancing joyously.
That is all for the weekly news on the Cadet Media TV. My name is Cadet Aku-Gbadago and
Cadet Aku-Gbadago.
Have a good evening.
Stay safe.